Everyone, I'm Xinping, and I will be the first one to do our presentation. And our topic is Stop Spending Too Much Time on Online Games Poster Painting Competition. It is designed by Bella Song, Man Yuanyou, and me. Here is our outline. For the first 5 parts, I will present them for you, and the rest of the parts will present by my team members. And let's look at our project goals. There are 2 goals in our project. The first one is students can learn about the disadvantages of spending too much time on online games. And the second one is cultivating students' teamwork awareness and skills. And our collaborators are the principal and teachers in Wenlanjiang Primary School in Linggao County, Hainan Province in China. There is a short video for results of the poster competition. I will play the video for you. Yeah, we all think that the posters of the students are really beyond our expectation, and they have already done a good job. You can see they are really enjoy the process with their classmates. And here is our teaching plan designed. Talking about the significance of our project, I think there is 2 points. The first point is most of the students are highly addicted to online games. It will affect their physical and mental health. And the last point is students know less about teamwork. It will cause that they cannot do well in the future teamwork. Okay, I have finished my part. Now let's welcome Bella.
Thank you, Peggy. Now let's start my part. The first about the activity development. We divided it into three steps, and the first step, Peggy have already introduced it before. It's about the teaching plan, and let's skip to the step 2. Pre-class, the teachers guide students through reading and discussion on topic. And help them understand some basics of design. And the teacher helped us a lot. They even made their own PowerPoint after our meetings. Then about step 3, before competition, showing welcome poster and example to students. Next. I made it. Both of them, they all use Chinese as language, colorful Chinese and cartoon, because our target subjects are 5th grade students, and they are still children, but they can understand and read Chinese very well. So we made this cartoon I wanted them to be attractive to 5th grade students. In the poster, I showed the rules and the welcome slogan. Next. That's an example. Next. Then about the key observation. First, this project is inspired by last semester's project created by 3 students in Taiwan. They studied with the school community and help them create awareness for sex education. And after that, we found that the school is a perfect location to do our research. And the second is about language as a complex dynamic system. The speakers in the same speech community can influence each other through teamwork and the teacher's guiding. Students can interact with each other and form their own opinions, and then these opinions will affect their behaviors. Next. Thank you. Alignment between design and goals. There are 4 steps, and the first 2 steps we design material with local teachers because they are the ones who know the students best. And next, about the third steps, the competition was held. The teacher used our example to design his lecture slides and gave the students a 10-minute explanation. The whole competition lasted for 6 minutes. Because the whole process cannot be too long because the 5th grade children's concentration is limited. And in the end, the first, second, and the third prizes was evaluated and awarded to the students. We prepared stationery that the children liked and needed as rewards, such as notebooks and watercolor pens. You can see the picture at here. And Man Yuan will explain the next part. Thank you.
Please click the next slide. So I will introduce the potential problems we may face in the future if we want to develop our project. The first thing is, I'm afraid students may forget the importance of collaboration and the disadvantages of online games as time goes by, because students will have much more complicated study tasks in the future, so their attention may be turned to another things. Also, I'm afraid this project cannot be held in some schools because some students in rural areas cannot afford to the color pens, which means they lack the basic materials to participate in the competition. Also, due to the reason of epidemic, we cannot actually attend the school to view the competition, which means we lack the direct communications and we cannot get the direct feedbacks from the students. Also, some teachers and parents may refuse to collaborate with us. They may think our project is non-relevant to the development of their children's grades. Next slide, please. And also about the potential negative consequences that our project may create. So the first thing is some students who did not win the prizes in this competition may feel frustrated. So to reduce this kind of feeling, we prepare a small pencil for them. We also use pencils as their prizes. Also, another point is during the process of collaboration, arguments and conflicts may happen between students because they may have different opinions about creating posters. So their friendship may highly likely to be destroyed. To avoid this problem in the explanation process, we ask the teachers to tell students there is no fighting. So I think these 2 problems can be solved. Next slide, please. The last part is the 2 PDA forms about the thing we created. So the first thing is the posters that Bella draws. I think in the posters, we basically use sight. So the sight includes 3 parts: language, colors, and pictures. Language increases the convenience for students, and colors attract the attention of students. And pictures, we try to make the pictures as it is created by students themselves to make them feel intimacy to the pictures. Next, please. And another PDA form is about the tabloids competition activity that we created. I think in this activity, we basically use sight, sound, and touch. sight is importantly the most important part since in creating tabloids, and sound is used in students' communications to help them do the cooperation. And touch is used for strengthening the feeling of creating posters, and students can better memorize the creating process. Next slide, please. Okay, so thanks for listening. And this is our reference list.